Hi all, I am Aishwarya Vikas and welcome to Viral Capital. As you all know that today is Chingam Fest, the day we Keralates celebrate the beginning of a new year. We wish you all the blessings and greetings of the festive season to you and your family. Let's move on to today's topic. What is the difference between the trading and investing? That is based on their approach. Methods. The first difference between the trading and the investing is the approach both these methods employ to make money from the stock market. Traders use technical analysis to base their buy and sell decisions, whereas the investors use the fundamental analysis. The fundamental analysis focuses on the company analysis of the industry in which the company fits and the general macroeconomic situation in the country. The analysis consists of studying the financial health of the industry and the company and the future growth prospects, whereas the technical analysis uses the charts instead of annual reports and the charts and the patterns. The technical analysis just use the market price of the stock to predict the future patterns and analyzes histories once, but does not concern itself with analyzing the factors affecting the market price. It studies trends in price, volumes and average over a period of time. A trader doesn't concern himself with what the company does or what the company's future growth prospects, etc. This is a key differences between the trading and the investing. The trading involves more technical analysis, whereas the fundamental analysis is more essential in investing. The trading involves identifying the market trends and then quickly buying or selling the stocks to book profits. Investing, on the other hand, is based on buying the stocks of a company after carefully analyzing the business of a company. The stock investors select fundamentally strong companies and invest in them for a long haul. As a business grows, so does the value of their stock. For a stock market investor, the short-term market volatility is of no significance. The next is based on the time horizon. That is, the difference between the trading and investing can also be based on the time horizon. Let's understand with an example. Suppose you have money and you buy a house in a nice locality. Within 2 weeks, the price of your property increases and you sell it for a profit. This is called trading. However, if you purchase a property because you know that it has immense long-term appreciation potential, since a national highway will be built near it in a few years down the line, and hence hold on it, then you are basically investing. Trading basically means holding the stocks for a shorter period and making a profit by selling the stocks as soon as a price touches of a high. The period consideration for traders can range anywhere from a day to a week into months. A stock investor selects stocks based on strong fundamental and once convinced holds onto them and for a longer period of time. They're ranging from a few years to decades to even more. The next is difference based on the risk involved. Whether you trade or invest, your capital is at the mercy of markets and hence there is a risk-return trade-off you should be aware of. However, when it comes to investing versus trading on the basis of risk, the trading rank is higher. The simple reason why the trading is riskier is that the trading involves taking the super quick short-sighted decisions, which may go well and go horribly wrong as well. A trader does not base his decisions on how promoting the growth prospects of a business are. He may buy a script based on external influences and lose money when the price hits a low, which can also make it riskier. Needless to say, trading can oscillate between the highs and the lows quite rapidly. On the other hand, investing, a habit, takes time to develop and reaps results in a long term. The risks are lower, comparatively the returns are lower when the period of holding is less. However, if stocks are held for a long time, your investment can fetch higher returns due to compounding, the effect of interest and dividends. If the stock you have invested in is fundamentally strong, the daily market fluctuations will have negligible no impact on your investment. If the stock you have invested in is fundamentally strong, the daily market fluctuations will have negligible no impact on your investment. Which is better suitable for a retail investor? If you look at the difference between the trading and the investment, you will be able to see that investing approaches is more suited to retail investors and who want extra exposure to equities. The advantages that accompany a strong investing mindset are numerous. All you have to do is your bets on business that is strong in its core offerings, is constantly innovating and adapting to customer requirements, and has a solid management team backing it. Once you are sure of this, you just need to buy right and sit tight. When it comes to investing versus trading, then none of them have a guaranteed formula for making money in the stock market. An investment approaches will ensure the success in a longer period of time. It will also allow you to much needed peace of mind so that the traders never get in their attempts to time the market. So analyze a company fundamentally, invest in the business, remain unperturbed by the market noise, and also stay invested to reap long-term benefits. What are the benefits of investing in the stock market versus its disadvantages? There are many pros and cons of investing in the stock market. The stock market has delivered generous returns to investors over time, but the stock market also goes down, presenting the investors with the possibility for both the profit and the loss, and also with the risk and the returns. The pros are stay ahead of inflation, and the cons take time to research, the professional competition, and at last the emotional ups and downs. So I hope that today you all got an idea about investing in the stock market, its disadvantages, and also about the differences between the trading and the investing. So once again, I am wishing you a very happy and prosperous new year, and also please subscribe our channel, and if people are watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe, press that bell button also, and Kavya Krishnan will be coming up with the market updates today after 3:30.